It's been 4 months since I saw you, and I still miss you. It's been 4 months since I spoke to you, and I hate to admit it, but I still love you, still love you. You said you never saw me cry, but I never told you why. I was afraid to show you how I felt and how much I needed you. There are waterfalls running down my face when I think about how much we've changed. I think how you're doing today, but I see waterfalls, 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 thinking how much things have changed. It's been 4 months since I saw you, and each day gets harder, and time doesn't seem to hear me. How do I move on when my feelings don't change? Why won't they change? Why won't they fade? Wish they would go away, but I see waterfalls, waterfalls, waterfalls. I just see waterfalls, waterfalls, waterfalls down my face. Waterfalls down my face when I drive past where you work every day. When I saw you dating someone else, my head started to spin, thinking how things could have been if we were happy, and things could just have been. But I see waterfalls, 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 waterfalls down my face.